There are a lot of different spy tools available on the market, however not all of them have a built-in landing page editor. And Anstrex does, which makes it very convenient because once you find different landing pages from your competitors, you can then replicate those landing pages very easily without using an external tool, which means that there will be less costs in subscription fees and you will save also a lot of time during your workflows. In this video, I will show you how to use the landing page editor that's available on Anstrex Push, Native and other Anstrex tools for different traffic sources, and also show you how to edit landing pages that you found from your competitors, which you can do from inside Anstrex without the need of any external applications. Let's take a quick look at how you can edit landing pages using Anstrex Push. So first things first, you go here into the bar and then click on Web Page Downloader. Then you have here a list of recently downloaded landing pages. You click on the edit button and then you have two editor options. So the quick editor has a link editor only that allows you to quickly edit outbound links to offer and deploy on your server. There's also the full JavaScript support, so all JS functions on the lander are expected to work. And it's also good for pages that use a lot of JavaScript such as surveys, sweepstakes, gaming, etc. Or you can use the comprehensive editor, which is a full functional editor with a what you see, what you get editor that allows you to modify text, images and HTML code visually. However, this editor does have limited JavaScript support. Some JavaScript functions may not work on the final page, and this editor is good for pages that have a lot of content, such as advertorials or articles. So let's first check out the quick editor. So here I have a landing page example, and then you can see right at the top that there are 4 steps. Step 1 is download, which we already did. Then step 2 is edit. Step 3 is optimize, and step 4 deploy. This is pretty much the workflow. So here you can see that step 2 edit, in the quick editor you only have this option, which is edit links. And this is where you can edit all the outbound links. Links for the privacy policy, terms and so on. And this will be different for different pages. So if you are promoting a lead gen offer, you might need to add some extra pages to make it more legit. If you are doing other types of pages, you may not need all of those links. So you just would enter your link, replace, and it would replace the link. Then you can proceed to step 3, which is optimize. And here you can select different options to optimize your landing page, making sure it reduces the size so that it loads faster in your hosting solution, and the visitor also doesn't bounce off the page because it loads slowly. So you can minify the images, minify the CSS, minify the JavaScript, and minify the HTML code. So you would select the options, click on OK, and then it would start optimizing the page. So you would need to wait until this process finishes. And that's it for the quick editor. Then you can click on zip and download or deploy if you want to deploy it directly from one of the provided options. So you have options like AWS and FTP, and you can also deploy those to specific subfolders or create a subfolder, which I'm not going to do because I don't have any server linked on Anstrex Push. I usually just click on zip and download. Now let's open the comprehensive editor. And just like on the quick editor, you also have the option to edit links. Something to mention here also is that this can help you find links that are also linking to affiliate offers, link tracking software, or even cloaking. So here we have the comprehensive link, and again you can edit the links just like on the quick editor. You can also click on edit JavaScript and this will show you your script. So here you can't edit, but then right here you can edit the script and you can then hit save. You also have a find and replace functionality, which can help you quickly replace text, you can click on replace and then close. If that does not work out, then you can just opt for the visual option, where you just highlight the text you want to edit and then you can easily write over it. So for example here, as you can see, the find and replace did not work for this case, or replace text that's not showing here. So I just need to delete that, enter 500, and that's it. Very easy to edit. So if you want to edit any element on the page, you just need to click on it and start deleting text, entering text, or using the bar above to add any media. So you can edit the text here in the headline, but you can also edit the text here. For example, where you can see the CTA button, you can click on that and also edit this button as well. Fairly easy. And then you click update and then there is the change. You can change the colors of your text if that's not visible enough. So you just go to colors, select a color, hit OK, and that's it. You've changed the text color. And you can also change the font as well up here if you wanted to make it more visible or smaller or anything else. Other elements that you can add on your landing page are links. So you can insert a link in any part of your landing page here. And you can also insert a link that's clickable and sends the user to a new tab. You can insert images by clicking here, or you can click Ctrl P. You can also insert a video, for example, if you are creating a VSL landing page or a video sales letter. You can add tables, emojis, special characters, and even dividers or separators. You can clear the formatting, and there's a lot of other options. If you want to edit the HTML code directly, then you can click on this, which is called the code view, and then it will open a window on the HTML code that you can edit. There are some changes that you might have to do here, such as replacing some links that were not detected by the edit links functionality, or if you are doing some other changes in the page, in its structure, that cannot be done with the visual editor. And of course, another thing that you can do is check for any scripts that might steal your traffic or clicks, and you can also delete code bloat. Or if you are working with a developer, you could also send him the code this way. Another thing you can do to save some time is to copy the code here, and then if you want to do a specific change or optimize it or something like that, you could copy paste this code and enter it on an AI tool like ChatGPT or Copilot, and then ask it to remove or add something, or even change the color scheme of the page altogether. Then if you want to see all the shortcuts to make it easier and faster to use the editor, you can come here and you will see a bunch of different shortcuts you can use for navigation and editing or using functions, which are on this top bar. Then if you want to edit an image or replace it, you can click on that image and click in this button which says replace, and then you will be able to upload a new image and replace it, so the image will appear on the exact same spot. And so that's pretty much it for the comprehensive editor. Then you can click on save and go to step 3, and the same options for optimization will appear here. You then click on OK, wait a bit, and then it will be ready to download or deploy. If you are interested in any of the Anstrex tools, then you can check the links down in the description for more content like demo videos, tutorials, reviews, and so on. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more software content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.